Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to start another new chapter from partnership business, that is retirement of a partner. As per Indian Partnership Act 1932, there is the provision that one partner or maybe two partners want to leave the business. They have the right to leave. So here we are going to that chapter, that is retirement of a partner or partners. Retirement of a partners, that time more like retirement of partners will be the term, when more than one partner want to take retirement. Generally we will solve like retirement only one partner. Most of the problem we will do on that only one partner retirement as per our like syllabus. Now we have to know the meaning of retirement of a partner. Simple meaning, like if one or more partner want to leave the business, want to leave the partnership firm, and remaining partner should continue. Remaining partner if continue the same business, that is called retirement, and this retirement may can arise due to the poor health or old age or any conflict among the partners, like retiring partner doesn't the partnership business. That partner who want to take retirement, you want to make a separate sole proprietorship business, that time also like partner can take retirement. And here it is a meaning it is provided here, meaning when one or more partners leave the firm and the remaining partner continue. So this word like remaining partner, if also like don't want to continue the business, then we will not say it as a retirement. That time we will say the dissolution of partnership firm, means closing of business. Everyone who want to retire means no existence of the business, that will be like closing of the business or shutdown of the business. So that is another chapter, subsequent chapter will do, that is called dissolution of partnership firm or dissolution of partnership business. But when it's a retirement, that time here that type of situation will not arises here. Like remaining partner should continue the same business, and that time we'll say it is known as a retirement of a partner. Now due to some reason like old age, maybe retirement can take place, poor health or conflict purposes, retirement can take place. Now we'll come to know what are the requirement, what we have to do here. Adjustment, like same as admission, like calculation of ratio, valuation of goodwill, treatment of goodwill, opening revaluation ledger, opening partners capital account, opening new balance sheet, revised balance sheet. The same process, but here it will be just opposite only. In case of admission, one new partner take admission, means number of partner increases, whereas in case of retirement, one old partner leave the business, means number of partner decreases. So opposite thing. First we can think that what happened actually when admission and what happened when retirement. Admission means number of partner increases, retirement means number of partner decreases. In case of admission, like new partner has to contribute the like amount capital, goodwill money, and in case of retirement, the old partner will take the benefit, like the retiring partner generally not contribute anything new. Already contribution is there into the partnership business, and when the partner want to leave the business, that time generally that contribution we want to get back return. So that's the opposite thinking here. So let's see here, this is the like calculation of new as well as gaining ratio. In case of admission, we are finding new as well as sacrificing, but here most of the time you have to find out the gaining ratio mainly for the treatment of goodwill. That time this ratio will use here, gaining ratio. In case of admission, generally we use sacrificing ratio for treatment of goodwill, but here it is gaining ratio will use here. Now after that, like treatment of goodwill, valuation of goodwill, here we are not mentioning, but sometimes valuation also will be there, that you have to find the value of the goodwill. But treatment, here it is required, the treatment of goodwill. Here treatment of goodwill, like retiring partner how much amount of goodwill benefit will get. So that entity, that is statement of goodwill here. After that, here it will be easy treatment, like in case of retirement, retiring partner benefit, retiring partners like benefit, provide purposes, the treatment of goodwill on simple entity like retiring partners, sorry, here remaining partners to retiring partners, that entity you have to pass here. Now opening revaluation account, that is the same way, same process. We will we will have to make that revaluation ledger, and after opening the revaluation ledger, we have to find out the profit and loss on revaluation, and that benefit you have to transfer to the whole partner, including retiring partner also. Treatment of accumulated fund as well as undistributed profit, same way like accumulated fund or undistributed profit account debit to retiring partner's capital account. Now as retiring partner will get back that like amount contribution made or other benefits, so we have to calculate the retiring partner benefit, and finally that is coming under miscellaneous head. Now after that, we are considering one numerical problem related to retirement. Here A, B and C are partner. There are three partners, A, B and C, sharing profit in the ratio that is half, 2 by 5, 1 by 10. Find the new ratio of the remaining partner if C retired. This third partner want to take retirement. So here in this cases, when retirement like retirement of a partner are there, that time this partner going to retire, nothing mentioned. So that time the remaining partner like what they are, A and B, they will continue the business. So their ratio will consider like half is and 2 by 5. That will be the new ratio. But nothing mentioned like C sacrifices in that way to A that much, to B that much. So if nothing mentioned, so simple way we can calculate, like that is the old ratio, half is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 10. If you calculate, it will coming here 5 is to 4 is to 1. So 1 by 10, that part we can leave if C retired. If B retired, then 2 by 5 we can leave. If A retired, then 1 by 2, that we can leave. After leaving that, remaining will be the new ratio. Very simple. Let's see there. Here, that is the old ratio. Half is to 2 by 5 is to 1 by 10. That is 5 is to 4 is to 1. Now if C retired, then this is after retirement of C, that is C's share will leave here, 110 will leave, that is half is to 2 by 5. So A's share half and B's share 2 by 5. If you make it LCM, that time it will come here like 10 LCM, and after that it is coming 5 is to 4. Or simple way, C is retiring partner, cancel the C's share. If B retired, we have to cancel this B's share. If A retired, then we have to cancel the A's share. So when C retired, new ratio A, B 5 is to 4. If B retired, new ratio will be 5 is to 1 among A and C. If A retired, the new ratio will be 4 is to 1, that is B is to C. So like that way, we can consider the problem, the numerical problem, and we can show that is retirement. So more problem we'll consider, and that time we'll clear one by one stepwise. Okay, that's all related to that.